So with my fried chicken today, I'm gonna make me a smoothie to go with it. I bought this from Dollar Tree. I don't know why they call it Dollar Tree anymore because it was like $1.25. I put an apple in there, like a tablespoon of crunchy peanut butter. The apple gives it sweetness. And then I use spinach and like about 2 cups of water and a half a cup of oatmeal. And that gives me energy. And although I'm having fried chicken, it makes me feel like I'm balancing out my food, my health, you know? A little good, a little bad. And sometimes I don't always eat the skin. All right, guys. Have you ever dealt with not getting a perfect fried chicken? Well, I'm here to help you. All you need is some drumsticks, bam, and some house archery seasoned breading mix. When I tell you you don't need salt, pepper, any type of seasoning, this seasoning, breading, is already pre-seasoned. If you add extra seasoning, it will make the chicken taste overly salty. So I would highly recommend this bread seasoning. I've been using it for years and it works really well on chicken wings and breadsticks for those who do not, and chicken wings and drumsticks. For those who do not like dark meat, then your alternative would be the chicken wings. So yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. You cook them in medium. I do a deep fry. Not the deep fryer, but I just put some oil in a regular old pan that I've had for years. I absolutely love the pan. Actually, it's a sentimental pan from one of my family members who passed away. And the chicken cooks so good. All right, stay tuned for the final results, guys. Ooh, look at that, y'all. See how beautiful that is? Oh my goodness. Back in the day, I would do all kind of different combinations with flour. I didn't know any other ingredient as far as a flour base to add to the flour. Other than like maybe breadcrumbs, it did not give it that right consistency that I like, that crispiness that I like. I will also put different type of seasonings. I can never come up with the perfect seasoning. But this is golden love. It's just so beautiful. And when it's finished, I like to use this. I put it on just real simple. I just put on some foil. People that's close to me know that I really, really love foil. I almost use it for everything. So I just get me a sheet of foil, get me some paper towels to suck up that grease, and I'll place it there when it's finished. Ooh, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful these drumsticks look, y'all. And trust me, they taste just as good, okay? You gotta try it. I cooked them a little bit longer because I like the skin to be hard. If I do eat the skin on some, sometimes I'll eat one with the skin and some without the skin. But if I eat the skin, I want it to be crispy. And I also like to have all brown inside. I don't like to see pink. It really just turns me off. Make my stomach hurt. All right. Go try it, y'all.